Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by eliminating physical causes. Clean the top of the display, remove any case or protector that might block the proximity sensor, and then reboot the phone to reset temporary glitches. Once done, place a test call and observe whether the screen turns off when you hold the phone to your ear. Next, go to Settings and open Call Settings. You need to locate the proximity or screen off option so you can confirm its current state and proceed with configuration. Now adjust the software controls. In Call Settings, toggle the proximity sensor option off, wait a moment, and toggle it back on. This often clears misbehavior. If your model supports it, enter Engineer Mode or install a trustworthy sensor test app to run a calibration. Recalibrating helps the sensor detect your face reliably. Make sure the phone app has required permissions and check for system or phone app updates, because manufacturers often patch proximity and calling bugs and updates. Finish by isolating third-party causes. Reboot into safe mode and place a call. If the problem stops, uninstall recent apps that access sensors. If safe mode doesn't help, back up data and perform a factory reset. This restores default sensor behavior. After resetting, test again. If the screen still fails during calls, the issue is likely hardware. Arrange Oppo service or repair to replace the proximity module. One tip: if the problem persists intermittently, test with a different SIM.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.